Today in this video you will learn how to change font size, style and color in Canva. For this you can select this, and to change the font you can select on like this, and here you have seen different fonts. Let's suppose I will select this one. The font style will be changed. If I select this one, the font style will be changed. If I select this one, the font style will be changed. In this way, you can change the font style in Canva. Now, the other part is how you can size the font. For this, you can select on this. If in this way, you can increase or decrease the font size in Canva. Now, other thing, the third part is how you can change the color of font in Canva. For this, I can select this, and after that, I can select on text color. And here, if I change the color in this way, you can change the color of font in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. Other things will be in the next video.